Hi everybody, Chris at Torque King here. Today's product highlight is our QU40188 8-bolt and QA4936 12-bolt knuckleball seal kit for the Dana Spicer front axles. The 40188 are genuine original equipment for light 3/4 ton and smaller Dana closed knuckle front axles in 51 to 75 4x4s with Dana Spicer 25, 27, 30, or standard duty 44 front drive axles with the smaller diameter knuckleball, while the heavy duty Dana closed knuckle front axles in 58 to 79 for the 3/4 to 1.5 ton 4x4s with 44 HD, 60, or 70 use the 4936. All these kits include new split metal backed ball seal, felt wiper seal, metal backing plates, and 8 or 12 new serrated flange head cap screws. Instructions are included to ensure proper installation with the least amount of guesswork. 2 kits are required to service both sides of your front axle, and we also offer the correct closed knuckle lube, which is our SKU 777, to ensure a complete job done right. All parts in these kits are made in the USA. We want you to have the best parts anyone can find because you want to fix this right the first time. Our link is in the description below, and while you're looking there, give us a like and a comment. It really does help us reach more people just like you. Then subscribe to see more of our product highlights. We've been around for over 30 years and plan to be around at least that much longer. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your rig on the road.